Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to Finding Yugen. We're going to do a unboxing today. If it's your first time to our channel, welcome in. If you're returning, welcome back. I ordered a box from Boxychan for the rest of the world that's not America. And it's a subscription box. It's an anime subscription box. It's supposed to have some pretty cool stuff in there. I have no idea what's in there. I haven't even seen a preview of any other Boxychan boxes that have been opened before. So this thing is definitely a mystery. I was gonna open two different boxes. For whatever reason, one of those didn't come though. So we're just gonna do this one. I believe that this box from Boxychan was like $35 US. It's kind of small. I mean, it's the size of probably a shoebox or your normal subscription box. I think the Lootcrate boxes are a little bit smaller than this one actually. I'm hoping that there's definitely some good stuff in there. I'm wasting my money so you don't have to waste yours. So without further ado, let's get into this. Alright, so I don't have any good knives here. So Rocky can have me open this one. That's all I need. Alright, so cool. And in here is Attack on Titan, Captain Levi, Dorbs, vinyl collectible. That looks pretty cool. I know a lot of people are collecting the pop ones, and these Dorbs I think are probably like the second most popular. This one's a limited edition, 5,000 of these are made, so that's pretty cool. And next, very cool. There are any folk who know Hero Academia fans. All Might in its weekend stage. That one's pretty cool. I like that a lot actually. If you haven't finished that anime or haven't started it, you should definitely watch it. It's definitely one of my recommendations. Getting paper. Nobody needs that. What else is in here? LED watch. Sword Art Online. So that's pretty cool. If I wore watches, I'd probably rock that for a little while. Something else from Attack on Titan in this box. I don't know what. Key cover? It looks like it's a keychain, but you can shove a key in it too. And they actually stuffed a few things in here. What's that, 4 things so far? It's Bleach. Bleach is my all-time favorite anime anyway, so I mean, if it's Bleach, it wins. It's another keychain. Dragon Ball Z. What is this? Lanyard. So that's pretty cool. It has Goku on here in his Super Saiyan form. I don't know what this is. Dragon Ball Z, some type of blind bag. One collectible, figure, and stand. Okay, so it's just a figurine and a stand. So if there's 9 different options or things on there, characters that you could get. So I guess we'll go ahead and open that now. Right? See which one it is. Let's see what's in here. I think that's Vegeta. Yeah, I think that's Vegeta. It's the Super Saiyan Vegeta one. That thing is tiny. And it's like the last thing in here. Heaven Above Heaven manga. I've never heard of it before. I guess that's pretty decent. Figurines, one is one of those pop, one's a Dorbs. There's a blind bag little figurine in there, a lanyard, a couple keychains, and a watch, and a manga. I would say that's probably about $35. That's what we spent on it. I'd say that we probably got our money's worth out of that. All in all, this one is pretty good. I hadn't heard of Boxychan before. Maybe I'll get another one. If you guys like this video, maybe we can start doing some of these. I didn't see too many on YouTube. If this is something you guys want to see or are interested in, we'll start doing some more of these. That's pretty much it, guys. As far as the anime box, the blind box went, I'm pretty satisfied with what the haul was. I really wasn't disappointed in anything. I don't know if I'll use it all, but it's decent. If it's your first time here, like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you like the blind box videos, we can do some more of those. Definitely check out our other videos. We do some food stuff. We go some cool places. Make sure you're checking those out. You're liking, you're subscribing. You let us know that you're here. Me and my boy All Might are gonna get out of here, do some things, save the world and such. Thanks very much. You're my best friend. Later.